Hey, what's up guys, Daniel here, and in today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to do this amazing text animation using your smartphone. But before we dive into the without further philandering sheets, let me talk about this first. This is an effect you can use to showcase your business, your skills, or you can just use it to make money. And today we'll be using two different apps for this effect, which is Legend and Viva Video Editor. I'll be using the pro version of both apps, and I'll leave a link in the description where you can also get these two apps for free. I'll be using the pro version because the free version is limited when it comes to some features. Here in this part of the world, we all know that data is expensive, so on that I've got you covered because these two apps both works offline. You don't have to have data connection for it to work. And yes, that is that. Without further philandering, let's get right into the video. So the first thing you want to do is open up your Legend app. I'll leave a link in the description for the premium app because that is what we'll be using. So let's open that up, and now you'll be greeted with just a random text. Type me if you can. If you should close this and open it again, another random text will be generated. So you want to put in your own text. So how does this app works? When you type your text, you generate a clip, and the maximum you can get is 6 seconds. So you write out all your text and then you join them using a video editor, and we'll go into that shortly. Another thing about this app is it works without sound, so you would have to put that in yourself using a video editor like I said. When you finish typing, just press play here and you'll be taken to this screen. Now this little button here is for the settings. You can change it to square size. Let's see that. And you can also use landscape. So I would use the square size. And another thing is the size. We have the 512, the 720p and the 1080p. So this is simply how you want the quality of the clip to be, and the higher you choose, the higher the size will be. And for this tutorial I'll be using a 1080p. Just press OK. Now let's go through the templates we have here. You can change the text color by selecting it. I think I like this one. Now once you're done selecting the one you want to export it as video. So you want to save it as video, wait for it to build your clip. So once that is done, you want to go back and you want to add another one. Remember I told you that the maximum is 6 seconds, although we can increase this, but that will be in our video editor and you can also reduce it. Let's say you as a business person, you want to upload this on your WhatsApp status, then 30 seconds should be okay. That means you can still generate up to 4 to 5 6 templates if you want, and when you get to the video editing, you can reduce or increase the length of the video as you wish. So what you want to do now is clear this, and you want to write the second template. And another thing you can do with this app is you can add a picture of what you sell, or your icon or your logo, something like that. You can even take pictures of yourself and it will put it at the end of the template. So let's say I want to use a picture. Okay, let's just use this for practice mode. So as you can see, now let's play this and see what it will look like. So I want to go back, then I want to change this picture. So I want to use this one. I think I like this one like this. Now I want to save this again. Like I said before, the app works offline, but if there is a particular image you want to use and you don't have it on your phone, you can go on and press this search button. So this goes through Flickr and they have lots of images. So let's say I'm searching for shoes. and as you can see, okay, let's say I want to pick this one, it will download, and that is all. So you can write anything you want to put, but I'm not using this, so I'll delete it. So I want to play that and see what we have. Okay, I think I like this. So you want to save again, so I want to go back. You can tap the delete button to clear it all at once, and it will generate a random text. So we want to close this, and now the most important thing we want to do is nothing. You want to calm down now and go and subscribe to my channel, because I can smell my food burning on fire, and I'm also recording this video, so I don't want to lose twice. I can only afford to lose my food, but I can't afford to lose a subscriber. So go now and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. So yes, that will bring us to the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'm just joking.
What a joker.
Alright, the video editor I'll be recommending is Viva Video Pro. And you want to go to edit. So let's start by picking the videos one by one. You want to start with this one. I'll press add. You want to pick next one, add. Okay. As you can see, they are all of the same length, which is 6 seconds. So you want to press next, and now you'll be able to view all the videos all at once. So just sit down and see how creative you are. The colors are fighting with each other, but okay. So you want to go to edit here, and let's just quickly go through the features of Viva Video Pro. There is clip edit. We have text to add in your text. There is a filter tab too if you want to use filter. So this can be used separately for each of the clip. I can use black and white for this one, something like this. You can go on and use it if you want. Okay, I'll be using it. So save that. And now let's go on. There is a sticker panel where you can add stickers to the video, as you can see, but I will not be using this, so close that. The effects are the video effects you can use. Okay, you can use that if you want, but I will not be using this, so close it. Multi music is if you want to use two music. Then the sound is if you want to record your own custom sound. Is that right? The sound is if you want to record your own sound, so you can use the microphone of your phone. Okay, let's try that out and see. Hi, and you can play it and see. Hi. All right, so that is that. You want to close that. Now this transition is what you can use for the outro of your clips. Let's try that out. So if I want clip A to fade into clip B, I'll just select fade here, which will make it fade into each other. So I'll choose none and close this, because Legend has its own default transition already. So if you want to add more clips, you can choose add clip, but I don't have any clip to add, so I'll just go back. And you can arrange all these features by going into sorting, which can make this text jump to the first page, something like this. And as you can see, text is here, clip edit, so blah blah blah. That is all. Now what I want to do is we want to add our own music, so just go to music here, tap to add music. Viva Video has their own preset music that you can download from their store. I only have 2 here. So let's say I want to add my own custom music. You can go to my library and it will bring out all the music on your phone. I can't use a real song because it is going to be flagged as a copyright song if I upload it on YouTube. So I'll just choose an instrumental or something. So I've seen the sound I'll be using. Let's see how the video will be now. So that is it. You can increase the sound of the music by sliding it here, which will put the music to 100% and turn the sound of the video to 0%. If there is no video sound, you can use that. So let's see again. So before we call it a day, I said I would show you how to extend or reduce your video length. It's very simple. Just go to edit here, clip edit. We're having a 6 seconds video. So let's say I want to reduce this 6 seconds into 3 seconds or thereabouts. If we should go to trim here. So what trim is going to do for you is that it would trim the video. So this is what you'll be getting. And if you do notice, the intro transition is gone, which I would not recommend you to do. So for me, trimming is not the way to go about this, so I'll cancel it. So now splitting here is what I would recommend, and it is very simple actually. You just want to look for a stagnant point where the text is not moving, they are not doing anything. Starting from here, if you play the video, you see that the text is not doing anything, they are just there. So you get the outro. So I would say select from here, split that part, and now this is where trimming is useful. You can go to trim now and just trim out this part. If I play it, you can see, but I will just reduce this and press OK. And now the 6 seconds is now a 4 seconds clip. If I play it, you want to be mindful of what you do here, because trimming or splitting will reduce the length of the video. I could remember the video altogether was a 24 seconds clip, and now it is now 22 seconds because we just trimmed out 2 seconds. So I would cancel this because I don't want to do that. So now let's talk about if you want to extend the length of the video. Still the same thing, go to clip edit here, and what you want to do is still the same method. You want to go to split again. Now look for the static point in which the text is not moving. I'll say this one. Then you want to go to split again, and now you want to look for where the outro transition starts, so which is around here. Another thing, if you want to fine tune through the clip, if this scissors is too fast for you, you can just slide on the video, which would move it by 1 second. So I hope you get that. So I want to press OK now, and now for the first clip we are having a 2 seconds, a 3 seconds, a 1 second. It is still back to 24 seconds video, and now these 3 seconds here in which the text are not moving, they are not doing anything. You just want to duplicate that. As you can see, it is now 27 seconds, and if I should play this, you would see that it will stay longer. As simple as that. So I want to cancel this. Then another method is you can use a slow motion or time lapse if you want to extend or reduce the length. It's simple to go to clip edit, go to clip speed, and you can make it slow by dragging this down. As you can see, mind the slow motion will extend the length of the video, while time lapse would reduce it. As you can see, 4 times is so fast. If I should press OK, it is now a 2 seconds video, and the clip altogether is now 20 seconds. If I play this, this is what you're going to get. I don't like that, so I'll cancel it. If you notice, the clip is now a 26 seconds video because I extended it. So the last thing you want to do is save your video, and in order to do that, you want to go to share. And one thing you can do here is you can export directly to Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, even to YouTube. But trust me, don't try YouTube, because YouTube loves longer videos. They want you to stay glued to your phone, watching and watching and watching and watching and watching. But another thing you can do is you can export to your gallery directly, which I'll be doing now. So now you can choose the normal resolution, which is a 480p, and you can use the high resolution, which is a 720p. Both resolutions are good. Depending on how large your storage is, I would recommend you go for the 720p resolution. And by the time I was through exporting this 25 seconds video, the total size of the video was around 3.5 MB, and that is not too much. And now you can go on and share on your WhatsApp status, Facebook. But tell me, who among you have friends that won't view your 25 seconds video of you advertising your product? If you have such friends, you need to ditch them, like they are not helping you. So that will bring us to the end of this video. Let me know if you enjoy or you've gained something in the comment box, because that is my new house. I'm always indoor. And make sure you smash that like button. Please do well to subscribe. It really means a lot to me. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you before the end of the year. Peace out.